Hey, this is Dave coming at you again from beautiful Vermont. I wanted to shoot this video to you today. It might be over some of yours head. It might be over some of yours head. It might be over your head. Some of you, this might be a little bit too advanced training. But I wanted to do it anyway because to some people they're going to actually go, well, I can probably try to figure this out. If Dave can show it slowly, and I can just keep going back on the video and watch what he does, it's not really that complicated. There's just a bunch of steps. And just like life, you have to kind of plan it out ahead of time. All right? So what am I talking about? I'm talking about making a web page, a capture page for yourself, by yourself, from scratch. I know. Sounds daunting. It's not that hard. It really isn't. It's easy. If you have a couple tools, you really do need, obviously, some tools. One thing you need a program similar to, if not exactly like PowerPoint. PowerPoint, the Microsoft is in the suite along with Outlook and Word and Excel and Access and everything else. If you can get your hands on a copy of Microsoft PowerPoint, or I already have one, you're awesome. You're great. You're good to go. If you don't, you can use OpenOffice. It's free, and it has a program that looks just like PowerPoint and works just like PowerPoint, and you can save stuff just like PowerPoint. So if you don't have Office, don't have the money to buy it, go and get it for free, openoffice.org. Number two, you're going to need some kind of HTML editor. There's a bunch of them out there. Free ones, off the top of my head, NVU. If you go to nvu.com, there's a version for Mac. There's also a version for PC. It's absolutely free. There's a bunch of tabs when you open it up, and it has the HTML, the source code, which is the actual inner workings of any web page, which can be kind of daunting and scary, but you don't have to worry about it because, like any good HTML editor, you can create a new HTML document by default with all the secret codes already in it. So all you're going to do is basically fill in the blanks, the body of the page. I know. I'm telling you, it's really easy. And then what else are you going to need? You're going to need either Fetch for a Mac, which is going to upload to your website, or for a PC, you could use WSFTP. Any file transfer protocol, FTP, program. You can use free ones as well. WSFTP, actually there's Qt FTP. There's a lot of free ones for PCs that you can use. So you can upload it to your website. And in some cases, you don't even need that because in your back office of whoever's hosting your website, like whether it's GoDaddy, I hope not, or whomever, oneandone.com is what I use, there's a control panel, and you can actually do it right from inside the control panel and upload it to your website and either create a subdomain or create a directory on your website to put this new capture page that you're going to do. And what else you're going to need? An autoresponder. Aweber, GetResponse, GVO, really doesn't matter. Although I particularly like Aweber. GetResponse is good. GVO, a lot of people use. Anyway, so let's get started. PowerPoint document, you can start with a brand new slate. I basically wanted to start with this one here. Basically, you can type anything you want. I mean, basically what we're doing is we're creating the image, the top part, the header of the form, of the web form. And you can obviously use the default stuff and just type some words in, but it's kind of like not very exciting. So what I suggested you do is grab PowerPoint, grab a picture that you want to use. Doesn't matter what it is, but just think about the end result. Keep that in mind. And then on top of the picture, you're going to be placing some script, some text that you're going to make up. So in this particular case, I'm going to build a page, and it's going to say, hey, remember that guy who quit? Well, neither does anybody else. I just absolutely loved it. I saw somebody had something. It was actually just a picture, and I just expanded on it, went to the next level, and created my own picture with the text a little bit different, and I made a capture page out of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a picture